stream here at Tridix. Currently 2 minutes away until 10 a.m. Eastern time. Currently just waiting to see how this news plays out. So just stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm waiting for this 4 hour closure. I want to see at 10 the next candle for 4 hours to at the opening to push straight down. Then we'll get in. Mm. Here comes the volatility. There you go.
Got my finger on the trigger.
Oh my God.
Market
Bro,
is
it stopped. Bro, that was crazy. I was gonna get in. My thing lagged.
Yeah,
Did
it
you,
closed for a sec.
did you just see that? Wow. Wow. I want
Let's
to get
see.
in right there.
Where'd it hit?
Right at
Yeah,
the right
that
at the that low, the 83. And now it's pushing.
it could potentially come back down.
Yeah, let's see. Hold on.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't really have to trade today. I just need to book one more trading day. I already made 5 days with $50. This would be my eighth day right here, meaning I can process the payout at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So I honestly could just open and close the trade, but I'm definitely looking to trade on my top step. So we'll love to see this come back down.
Well, that was crazy.
What was the news?
Uh, PMI,
Mm.
Yeah, it's PMI and Jolts.
Jolt's opening.
Yeah.
The last 30 closed bearish though. Last hour is also closed bearish. This is not what I want to see on a 4 hour though. It opens up and it shoots right up. That mean we can I mean in my In my opinion, this has room to come back down now.
I think Jacob was saying the same thing.
Yeah, it's the 4 hour. If it shoots down first and then flip to come back, and then it just stay up here, but this shoots up first, so that could be this could be our wick to come down right here. What it's 1 and 4 hours. Look at the four. Look at that. You see me? You feel me? But as long as it didn't break this level yet, well, technically it did. The 4 hours closed below this yesterday's low, and this was the gap on Sunday that took us up on Monday.
Mm. Excuse me. All right, what time is it? 10:06, 6 minutes after. Looks like we're just testing between the 88 and 61. I want to see it test that 88 one more time.
Same. Not in a rush. This hourly just opened with no bottom candle, bottom wick either. So just gonna wait.
Last 1 hour was pretty good. Closed bullish. So let's see. We come down and tap. Yeah, man, I can't believe Apex denied my last payout, man. Can't lie to y'all. apparently if you go too far on drawdown, they flag you. So not only do they have an equity threshold rule, that 2,500, and if you get to 2,500 in profit, it stops following, meaning to lose the account, you got to get back to zero.
Yeah.
So on top of that, even if you're up like 4,000, if you're in drawdown 50% of that, 2K, they flag you. Even if you didn't blow the account. And even if you finish the day off profitable. So I guess I was too far on drawdown at one point, even though I finished the day off profitable, and they still flagged me. And they asked for another 8 trading days to process another payout. So I want to say that was 2 weeks ago. So it just blows my mind how they have a equity threshold rule and a hidden 50% um drawdown rule. That's nowhere in their what's it called? In their policy or terms. They honestly just doing everything they can to not pay out.
I think Apex really just wants to test your patience out,
Oh, oh, bro.
but you're more patient.
Honestly, they're trying to get me to crash out.
So they pretty much said you can't like use more than what, how many lots, whatever, because you're gonna be in drawdown and they won't pay you out.
I don't think it's even about the lots. It's just in general being in drawdown a big
Like,
amount.
like the floating equity, it can't
Yeah,
go above
exactly.
or below a certain number, I guess.
Exactly. But I don't know when that threshold starts. So is it when you get to 3,000 does it start counting? Is it when you get to 4,000 in profit does
Yeah,
it start counting? Like I don't know,
like there should be like
you know?
a light or a flag or something to be like, yo, like, yeah, I don't know.
But I definitely think it's after 2,500. Because
Do you
there's no
think,
way, let's say you just get a new account and you're up $1,000 and then next trade you're in drawdown 500. Like they're not gonna flag that.
right?
So when
Yeah,
does the threshold
that's
start?
what doesn't make sense. It like starts off bigger and then like if you're going off 2,500, then when you make 500, does it go off that one or does it still go off of the 2,500?
I think it's still the 25. I think after the 25 is when it starts counting. And don't get me wrong, I've been in drawdown in the past. Like, I don't know why they're just starting to mark me now, you know?
Oh,
So
true. Yeah,
it
Because
is
you're
what it
winning
is.
too much, man.
It's
for real.
exactly what it is, man.
That's exactly what it is. You took
Yeah,
too
that's
much money from them.
shit. Just keep doing what you're doing, bro. They're trying to make it seem like something wrong, but nothing, nothing's wrong.
That's what I'm saying. I checked their
All right.
rules after. I'm like, they sent me such a generic ass PDF. Apex doesn't want gamblers. That's all it said. We want serious traders. So honestly, if it happens again, I'll probably just reach out to support and ask them what's the exact amount y'all start, you know, um, flagging people.
Yeah,
So,
that's a good question.
and I emailed them. I was like, yo, I'm out of processing a payout. Like, am I good? Is there anything I got to worry about? They were just like, no, just hit 5 days with $50 profit. And on the eighth day, it should be good. So today marks day 8. I'll let y'all know if they approve it. But like I said, they've been really delaying the payouts too. Reach out now. So I mean, I reached out yesterday. What is this? I reached out yesterday. They said I was good, and I've only been dropping like one micro contract just to get the $50. So they said I was good yesterday, not breaking any rules, so there's no reason they should deny me again. I appreciate you, Gio. That's what I'm saying. I'm like looking at the contract, bro. Looking at the contract, seeing if it says anything about that. Maybe that could have been an argument to make, but by the time they got back to me, bro, it would have probably taken forever. Yeah, so just letting y'all know, just be careful about the drawdown too, on top of the equity. Damn, would it not tap?
This thing is
It came
flying.
back
Dang.
up to 7-8, but never, not that 8-8.
It's moving like yesterday.
From the 5 minute, or excuse me, was it the 5 minute? Let me go switch. No, I guess the 1 minute, tap the 1 minute 88 from the swing here to the swing here, but I want that deep 88.
Oh yeah, that's off the open. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait a little longer now today.
Sheesh.
Was
Wow.
it already at the 61? Did anyone get in that? Anyone take that buy off the zone? That little tap,
Yeah, that was a nice buy if anyone got in that. I think so.
saying from the 1 minute body.
I would say Walter got in.
Nice.
Really nothing right now. It's only 30 pips up and down since the opening.
Yeah.
Been moving up and down
Just
30 pips.
quick.
It's all good. You used to see like 100, 150, 200 a day. It's only 30.
Yeah. No, yeah, this is definitely still playing in a range. It hasn't broken out of
This needs to come
the
down. I feel
range.
like it's I have a feeling.
So yeah, I was thinking about that drawdown rule. If like if you're up 4,000 and you're about to hit the 2K threshold, you might as well just close the trade, right? And just re-enter a new one,
Yeah.
you know?
Because you won't lose any drawdown.
One more
Right.
time?
I said you wouldn't lose any of your like drawdown space because you're already above it.
Yeah, you're way above it. You got 4K basically to lose, to blow the account,
Yeah.
you know? But if you're negative, let's say 1,500, you might as well just close the trade instead of it hitting the 2K, you know? And just re-enter a new trade. Yeah, it sucks. You're gonna have to close in a loss, but
Mm.
you know what I mean?
That's probably why they do it, honestly.
They want you to
So-
close in a loss
What's that?
because they want you to close in a loss.
Yeah, they want you to close it and not hold it to for the potential comeback.
Come back, yeah.
Oh, look at that. Just blasting
Yeah.
now.
But you are right. If it's above the 2,500, then yeah, I would. In order to get the payout, might as well just take the loss so you can get
And
the
get back in.
get the bread. Yeah.
But honestly, you shouldn't even be in that position in the first place. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I was dropping big lots that day. Right. So
Yeah.
just make sure you guys are using proper risk management and and getting in high quality setups. So it doesn't even get to that point. And it's okay. Like nothing really happened. I still have the accounts. I just had to trade 8 more days, which is fine. It's not the end of the world. It just delayed the payout process.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, as long as the payout hits, that's all that matters. And this thing is moving. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We got 13 minutes. Or excuse me. We got 13 minutes until the 30-minute closure. 15. Last 5:15 close bullish above the 61. We can see we're getting some follow through right now on this current candle.
Yeah, just waiting for this
Um,
close.
Honestly, a few pips shy of that 88. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. That's why I kind of like throwing that tester just in case it doesn't hit, you know. And then if it does hit, you could probably enter that second one. You know, the dollar cost average will give you a better entry.
Yeah. Yeah. If it's already made like you see how it already tapped it once,
Yeah.
and then that second retest, that tester right there, like it's already tapped it once and pushed. So that tester entry, yeah.
No, I hear you.
Because sometimes like it'd be like the first like that first drop down to it, the first tap of it,
Yeah,
or to the left, that one, yeah. Like that just like sometimes entering right there as it's coming down and tapping it, it can be a little sketchy
it's
sometimes.
risky.
Waiting
Yeah, it's
for that
risky
like initial put like that first 5 minute push off of it and then that retest. But
for
sometimes
sure.
that retest isn't right at the 8-8. Like it will tap it and then it will come back to like 5 pips above.
Yeah. I think that's probably might be good to just wait for a 5 minute rejection candle because I've seen it in the past, or even if it does break below,
Hmm.
it gives a sign to get in, or there's signs of slowdown with that 5 minute candle.
Yeah.
You know, you can see it started wicking here and then here. And then even if we mark from this body here to that swing, you can see it's right at the 88.
Right. Yeah, where it,
Yeah.
yeah, that body where it broke out of that.
And then kind of same thing here, was a bit shy of it.
If you go to 15, go to 15. From body to wick, it's hit the 88 the first time. Go to 15. Measure from that low of the body to the high of no, 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 yeah, right there, that high.
Yeah, we basically the same thing on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
All right.
This thing's
Let's see. Let's see if we hold here. Um, I'm gonna be honest, I just need to take a quick trade just to count it as a trading day. I might do that here on my Apex accounts. I'm gonna hold off on my top step. You can come down a bit lower, that would be awesome. Let's see. Let us see. So why do I say that? It's because again, out of 8 days, 5 of those days you have to be above $50 in profit. And then the remaining three, you don't really have to trade them. You just if you enter and close a trade, it'll count it as a trading day. So I'm already I think I'm at 12K total on the accounts. So I'm not really trying to trade anymore or risk my gains. So I'm just looking to fulfill the requirements just so I can get the payout at this point, if that makes sense. Okay.
A little deeper retracement would be nice.
And no, that would be. Ooh, excuse me.
Mm-hmm. Come back down. There you go.
All right. All right. I will be looking to place a small position here.
Oh,
Where is my goddamn Top Step account?
Order filled.
Um, glad we waited.
mm-hmm. Got it on that as well. 3 lots.
Nice. I just put one in just for the sake of not losing any money on this.
Looking to see this thing flip back.
Put my Apex ones in break even, y'all. Like I said, I don't need money on this trade. I just need to count it as a trading day. I mean, obviously, it'd be nice to make some money on it. But I will be holding on my top step.
Got in at 82. Okay.
I'm not
The
gonna lie. I
the
closed on
first
my Apex accounts.
what was that?
I closed on my Apex accounts, but I'll be holding on my top step. So that was my last trading day I needed to fulfill this payout.
Let's
Nice.
go, bro.
Yep. So the back end should reflect today's trading day at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So around that time, I should be able to go in and process the payout. Takes 2 days for it to be approved, 3 days to be sent to the bank or to be processed, excuse me, and then another 3 to 7 days to hit the bank account. So which is it's kind of takes a while. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. All right. So by the time they process by the time they approve it, they'll take the money out of the account. And at that point, I can continue trading again. So by the time the funds hit my bank account, I'll already be processing another payout. So if you can get that rhythm with Apex, it's kind of nice. But, when they deny it, it kind of throws off that routine and that rhythm. You know what I mean? So, especially if they delay it, sometimes it'll take an additional 2 weeks. If they deny it, an additional 8 days. So it's really just convenient to just follow their rules at the end of the day. It's just letting y'all know from the experience I've had with them so far. Does that make sense?
So,
We got a question in the YouTube. I don't know, Jacob, if you can answer this one. He said, question, what other platforms can I use for Top Step, for TradingView, Tradeovate? I think he's asking, is there more?
yeah, I believe Top Step you can use Tradeovate, and then they have their own platform, which is
The
Top
Top
Step
Step
Bank.
X. Yeah.
Yeah, and I think those are the only two that you can use.
Um,
Maybe Ninja Trader. I've never used that, but
yeah, CB, I've been using Top Step X. Um, I've heard there was issues when trying to connect to TradingView. I don't know. But I've had no issues with Top Step X. I'm gonna be honest with you. Gio said it's definitely calculated on their part. They do it on purpose to buy them more time to pay everyone out. Oh, for sure. Not only that, they're hoping you lose the account, so they know what they're doing for sure. Kind of come into a bit of drawdown. Still have faith in this. I honestly want to enter again.
I will enter again if this thing breaks on the 4 hours. Looks like it's about to.
If it does hit, could see it come all the way down to the next 88. All right, I need to see some bulls come into this and push it back above, maybe even give us a wick. That would be the best case scenario here. I only have two contracts in this, so not risking that much. Go down to lower time frame. Looks like we're testing previous swing low here.
There you go.
Oh, yeah,
I
almost
just added I just added more right there. I said broke.
smart. That almost stopped me out. Well, I'm limited on Top Step, unfortunately, with Apex, which is nice. You can throw up to 50 micros below 2,500 and 100 over 2,500. Well, I don't think these prices are correct. Where's my stop loss? I bet I'm looking at the MQ chart right now.
Alright, can we run this? There you go. Come on, Dan.
T, you enter down there?
Yeah, I got in at 52.
5 minute close bearish. Let's see if we can. I like the wick. Let's see if we continue holding. Excuse me. 274.
Alright, can we get a blast?
I want to enter some more. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but a payout.
The temptation.
It is. All right, back above the 88. This is a good sign. Liking the wick. Let's see if we get to the 61 or even the 38.
Let's see this 4 hour flips, which I think it can.
Struggling. We break here, I could see this come down. Probably next 88 fib. Just fill the gap from Sunday open, yeah.
Yep, we at this gap right now.
If it hits stop, this might be my only trade for today, y'all. Oh, it's hovering.
Order filled.
Think that just stopped me out of my top step. Yep.
Yeah, I just got stopped out too. Um,
200
my
for that trade.
$300. 350 actually. Now I'm gonna wait until this next 4 hours sound over here.
Yeah, I'm probably not looking to take any new trades, y'all. That might be my one and done. One and done for the day. No worries. All part of the game. Just come back strong if you guys are still looking to trade. Still got plenty of time until the weekends. I think Friday is a holiday, so we still got tomorrow and Thursday. But next 88 I'm seeing is from this body here. I think from the 1 hour. From the 4 hour, looks like we're below that. Had it drawn initially from here. Right now it looks like we're testing that 61, but it's looking quite aggressive. We got 30-minute closure in 20 minutes and then a 15-minute closure in 5 minutes. It's 10:40, got 20 more minutes until the next hourly closure. Looks like we're coming down quite aggressive. I'll hold off. If you're looking to maybe take a sell, maybe just wait until these next couple of candles close. If it looks bearish, if there's no bottom wick, could be a high chance that we can continue pushing lower. Can see sells down to these areas down here. These are my next zones. All right. Again, loss is just part of the game. Just make sure you guys are, not getting triggered by them. Make sure you guys are in the right mindset to come back and either finish the day off strong or week off strong.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's waiting.
What's going on, Malik? Hope all is well, bro. Doing good. Um, we ended up taking some buys off the initial 88. Um, Good question. No, today's my last day for um I can't even speak. I had to take 8 trading days. So today marked my eighth one. So after today, I should be able to finally process another payout. So I reached out to their support yesterday. They said I'm good to go. So after today, I just took a trade. We'll process it at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and hopefully all is well. There should be no reason they deny it. So fingers crossed. Appreciate you. Yeah, I don't know if you're trading Apex, but do you have like that 8 trading day rule where you have to have 5 out of the 8 days above $50? Yeah, so today was the eighth day. Was taking really micro positions, one contract, two contracts max, just to get the $50. Wasn't trying to. Right now I'm on TPT, nice. Yeah, I'm looking to dip into a few more, considering I can't buy any more Apex ones. So TPT, MFF, and Top Step are the ones I'm considering. Why do you say that? Oh, really? Do you know why or just okay? What about TradingView? Gotcha. Well, yeah, luckily I'm not too invested in them, so that's good to know. Gotcha. I appreciate the heads up. Yeah, we had someone in the YouTube asking. So CB, I don't know if you're still on here, but we're getting news that um they're no longer using Tradeovate. Yeah, I can't keep up with all these rule changes, man. Especially if you're trading multiple prop firms.
Things the hella bears.
Yeah,
15 just closed.
did it?
Yeah. No, look at that. Strong candle.
Yeah.
The
Last two
thing
closes.
just hit 88, 88, bro. Downhill would be tough. I'll get in.
Got 30-minute closure in 15 minutes, y'all. I'm not saying y'all can't sell it, but yeah,
Get in right
I'd like
now.
to wait for that 88. Yeah.
Crazy. I mean, how much are you gonna risk to make what? To make like 50 pips? You risking 150?
What is that? The MNQ chart? Yeah. Yeah, I'm seeing the same thing, Malik.
All right, there you go. Come on. Come on down.
Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we come all the way down here. Excuse me. Yeah. Yeah, I mean we've been bullish for some time, so it could be some good release or excuse me, relief. Hmm.
Man, it hit this thing and then retrace it. Come on. The round table. Yeah, I saw that. I already know what it is. I'm about to cash it out before you do.
So what? Don't play with me, brother. Don't play with me.
Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Uh, you ain't
It's a
seen
thief
nothing.
in the
Stop,
night,
stop playing with
bro.
me, brother.
Yeah, for real. Like that should be sketching me out too, bro. Relax.
That's what I'm saying. Well, last time I leaked it on accident. I was so paranoid. I changed my password like 3 times.
Yeah,
Um,
teasing minutes.
Okay, bro. Su dinero is mi dinero.
yeah, let me show you. Like, look at this. If you see here, no more evals during this period for a lifetime. So if I even
Bro,
try,
like that,
I
damn.
try to buy some. Oh,
Huh.
look at this. So not letting me, not letting it happen.
Not letting it happen is crazy.
Yeah. Um. So yeah, today should be the day, y'all. Should be the day. Yeah, you're a dick, bro.
I'll see you on Saturday, bro.
You going up?
Yeah. You know
You
whose
still,
birthday is it?
yeah.
Yeah.
You better pull up,
Yeah, bro.
man. Look at this goofy.
What is this at Alcatraz?
That's
Bro,
crazy.
what the hell?
Oh, I
So
see you.
he's in San Fran's right now.
Hey, well done, man. Hey, enjoy the rest of your day, bro. You got me sussed out, man. You got me feeling I gotta change my password again. Anyways, how y'all feeling? Doesn't look like it's gonna come down anytime soon. Do y'all want to stay on a bit longer or monitor? Um,
Let's see how this candle on the hour close right here.
all right.
7 minutes. It's 7 minutos. Are we gonna keep ripping down? Is it gonna stall right here? 5 looks like we're getting some stalling. So if buy wants to get in right here, right? There's no way. Not low enough.
You going on that boat?
Yeah, I'll be on the boat, man. I'll be on the boat.
You buy your ticket?
Yeah. Bro, this thing gotta come down. Come on, man. Stop playing with my emotion.
If this 1 hour closes bearish like this, yo, I'm seeing some further continuation to the downside. So,
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm not saying you guys can't sell it. Could be a good sell down to the 88 if that's what y'all want to take. 5 more minutes.
All
Last two
right.
15-minute candles close bearish, 30-minute looks bearish, and 1 hour looks bearish.
Go to the 15 real quick. All right. So this is where on the left side, um, this is where they're having some problem last time breaking down to. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
If this 15 flip bullish, I might see some uppers coming back a little bit, retracing. But this 15, if this 15 closed bearish, then we see continuation down. I think this thing gonna flip. I don't know. It's pretty bearish today too. The
Yeah.
stock market. Tesla is at negative. Because the beef with Trump and Elon is going on right now. Nvidia is also down. I feel like we need some war. That sounds terrible.
Yeah, it's a horrible thing to say.
we need some. We need something to pop off.
I'm about to buy it right now too.
No. Okay. Yeah, please break, bro. Please, please.
Yeah, it's coming down. 2 minutes left, y'all.
2 minutes. Come on down. I do have a buy limit just sitting right there at 88, right below 88. Bro, come on. Damn. This thing's playing. It'll be closer to the 88, to be honest. All right, there we go. That thing broke. Last second, man. Last second, last second.
Sheesh, sheesh.
Last second.
Still
On.
going. Still going.
This 1 hour looks vicious. I want to see the next one immediately rips down to the 88. Can we get that 88? I believe. Come on, bro. He was the best entry all time. Mind you, this was so high up, so it's not unusual for this thing to rip down.
It's closed.
Huh?
Mm. Mm-mm-mm. It's closed.
Yes, yes, yes. Rip down, rip down, rip down right now, right now, right now. Don't go up. Rip down. Yes, rip, rip, rip. Yeah, man.
Sheesh.
Yeah, rip. Come on. Let me see 88 tap. What's your 88? At 46? 646?
461 on TradingView.
Same thing. Fire. Yeah. No, don't do this weak shit. Come on. It's doing this stupid ass shit. Breaks and then just come on. Come back down a little bit, bro. Ah, stop.
Patience, patience.
Bro, stop. Stop. Stop moving. Stop moving up.
Looks like it's holding.
I swear to God.
Nah, based off that last hour, man.
This thing can come down to 88. But this is like the come on, bro. There's no way. There's no way that's it. I still have trust in 88. I'm just gonna wait. If it does, it does. Bro, I swear though.
This is crazy. All right, I wasn't even paying attention. Let me see.
Bro, calm down. What is it doing?
I'm just convincing some buyers to get in. That's all I was doing.
I hope so. Get in. Bro. I swear to God, if this thing comes back up, this 1 hour just literally engulfed the last 1 hour. I'm gonna be pissed.
No, no, she'll come down. She'll come down, bro. People, some people just securing some profits. Some buyers are getting in, but
Bro, I swear.
see, right at that zone. Look at the accuracy of that.
I have this zone marked too, bro, from the beginning. She was 40, 30 pips away from 88. That is annoying. It's mad annoying. All right, this 15 looks like it's about to engulf and just, it is what it is. That's so dumb.
Oh my God. It's patience, man. Patience.
72? That's it, bro? Come on, man.
Big crybaby, T.
Just I didn't make money and I lost money today.
I feel you. Hey, just patience, bro. Just take the sell right now.
Hell no.
Hey, you got plenty of time to make it back.
We got our places to be. All right, let's go. Hey, hey, come on down. Come back down. Come back down. Run it. Run through this. Yes, please. Patient.
Oh, there we
Patient.
go. Hey, you stressing for nothing, man. You had me
Oh,
stressing.
let's go. Let's go. Come on down.
Bro, for real,
Come on down. Come on down.
Stressing for no reason, right?
For
for
real.
no
Come on
reason,
down.
bro.
There
See,
we
you
go.
should have taken this tail.
But now it doesn't look good because it created top wick.
See, T
Now it
always
doesn't
got
look good.
something.
Now it
T,
doesn't look good.
T, I'm gonna give you something to take the stretch off, right?
Now it doesn't look good.
I'm not gonna lie, I took that
Now I'm
sell.
hesitating. There's no way I'm getting into this.
I'm not gonna lie to that tail.
Fuck no.
I'm trailing it so tight.
Bro, my shit is break even.
Yeah, now I'm not trusting this at all. That top wicket created the 1 hour
Filled.
first.
Right. I just hit my stop profit. Woo! This man T had me stressing, bro. Anyways, we're at the 88, yo. Hold up. Getting some wickage, a good sign. I would like to see a 5 minute wick rejection. I'm not gonna lie to you. Some wick rejection on the lower time frame. Because there's no telling it could, come tap this area. But we're past the 88. This could be a good entry. This could be a good entry area. Not gonna lie to y'all. If y'all wanna put a tester in
Order
right
filled.
now, feel free.
Feel free.
We
Free will.
gotta get T off these streams, huh?
Free will. Don't let me influence you. Sell it. Buy it. Get in. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Listen to the voice inside your head. Don't listen to me.
So you are the voice inside their head.
Order filled.
All right. I put an entry in, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The market gods bring us back up. That 1 hour to 1 hour is just crazy. Crazy drop. Straight down like a knife. All right, here we come. I tap this zone down here, y'all. Could be prime entry. How's it daily looking? Looks like we're engulfing 2 days so far.
See you get to 61, baby. Let's see
What?
you get to 61.
What did you say, T?
Let's see if we can get to get into the 61 through this rejection. I got in there as well.
Oh man.
All right, so moment of truth right here.
This is probably the prime of the prime entries. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a cushion just in case. Might just manually exit if it breaks below. If I could enter again, I would. 1, 8, 5, 2. Let me know what happens. I'm not paying attention. See, T being quiet had me a little worried.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm crying.
You say you crying?
I'm crying.
Honestly, whoever gets in at this area, this could be a really good entry if we hold. How is the lower time frame looking? 5 minute close bearish, 15 minute did close bearish, y'all. Don't want it to break, fake down below, and snap back up. But hey, let's see what happens. Would like to see it just react from here. React all the way back to this 38 or 61, excuse me. All right, we wicking. Starting to
Did I
wick.
add more? I probably did.
You are a menace, bro.
Let's just say I'm up $500 right here.
You entered down here?
My last entry is 22599.
How many contracts you got, big boy?
That was I added four into there at that last spot.
Nice.
And now we're running. Let's freaking go, gentlemen. Let's freaking go. Oh my god. Here we go. Can we get a blast off?
I hope so.
I hope so. Let's freaking go. My room is hot as hell.
Not the room, it's you, brother.
Bro, the AC
Oh,
is broken. I'm heated up. Everything is heated up right now. The monitor is heated up. The laptop is heated up.
On fire.
I'm on fire right now. Let's freaking go.
my boy
Look at that.
Jordan bro has said crazy live stream just closed for 1200 held throughout the entire pullback. Appreciate y'all. Well done.
Wow.
I'll call it a day, brother. Enjoy your day. Enjoy
Yeah, let's get
your
it.
day. That 15, if the 15-minute can close like this, the 5-minute close, nice. Let's see if we get 15-minute and 30-minute follow through. Yeah, that entry down there was prime. That was a great entry down there. Past the 88. Better risk reward.
I'm thinking about closing some right here as to tap the 88 coming back. Um, like I'm not just blind out here. It did close below the 100. Like what we measure, it did close below the 100. So
How much are you?
88 is a good area to take some partial here. I took some partial right now. Just did. All right. I have two lots just running from 600 flat.
My boy, I see you. I'm happy for you.
That's 50 pips and counting. Can we get to 61 perhaps? That will be my last TP for the two. I'll get out at 61. I don't have to get up all the way. Let's freaking go, gentlemen.
CA members, how we doing?
How we
Oh,
doing?
Sam, NP, JLP, George, Carlos. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Y'all in this trade? Sorry, sweating as I was driving. My bad. I'm just reading this.
I'm
Oh,
still holding.
oh, my bad. I'm not. I did not see these messages. My bad, Joe. Did you guys do a tester and second entry like Roy? Yeah, that's what I ended up doing for this buy. Sorry, sweating as I was driving. Chill. That voice will throw 100 lots. And it messed up my second entry though. Didn't put enough weight on it. No worries. Um, I feel you though, especially when you got good opportunities like that. You definitely want to take advantage of them. Sam, you said you're still in it. Well done. Let's see if we can get some. Let's see if we got to push the damn 61. I'll probably call it a day off that. I'm back above. I'm personally above what's called.
Yeah, it should be at 743. That's my 61 right here. 743. 743, my bad. Oh yeah, gentlemen. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, 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 yeah.
You see how happy Teague is.
See, bro, it just took her time so long. Just get down there and then pop right back up. Like that's all she had to do. That's all she had to do.
That drop was crazy though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
that's
self-fed families, bro.
You said what?
88 never fail, bro.
That's
88 never.
self-fed families. I'm not
Wow,
gonna lie, I took a scalp all the way at the top, shorts, but I didn't hold it all the way through. And then
yeah,
I took a buy at the 88 with y'all,
nice.
took the L, and then I just took another buy, so I'm 2 for 1 right now.
Hey, are you back above water or not yet?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool, cool.
I got two in, stop to break even.
Yeah, I might have moved to break even, yo. I just moved to break even. Right in the rest. We're so close to the 61. We're
Riding out, riding
so
out.
close. 15 minute is looking really nice. Wow. Think I might trail it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I think I might trail this.
Gentlemen, what a freaking trade. Woo, 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 woo.
You still holding?
Yeah, bro. I still have two lots though. That thing is running though. It's like
Yeah,
250 now.
let's go.
Oh,
Let's
yay,
go.
yay, yay, yay.
Patience, man, patience.
I
See
know,
that?
man.
See that? You
Good
can
thing
take
you
the
didn't leave
short.
at 10:50, yo.
I know. Thank God I didn't.
Just give me the
Yeah,
buy.
bro.
Just give me the buy. Y'all can take the short, man. Y'all can take the short.
He makes few dollars in his pocket. He thinks he knows where the market's moving.
Just give me the buy, man. Just
Thank you, a market maker.
All right, y'all. This is
bro,
flipping.
waiting for this entry. Wow, look at the 4 hour. Oh, look at the 4 hour. Look at that. Wow, 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 wee, wow. Mm, All right, so I'm thinking if we close above that 61, the next 4 hours should takes it up, take this thing back up.
You might take it up right now, brother. It's pushing. Come on.
Oh my days, oh my days. Holy macaroni.
Yo, T geek.
Yo,
Bro,
he's geeking, honestly.
people still doubt the 88. Like, come on, dog. Come on.
It looks like it could make a inverted head and shoulders on the 1 minute. Need this thing to push now. All right, we're almost
It
at.
flipped. The 1 hour just flipped bullish. Now we can see uppies. Shall we? No, maybe, perhaps.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. It's pushing. It's pushing.
Yeah, this 1 hour. If this 1 hour just closed with no top wick, brother. Holy, 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 holy.
Did it close?
Nah, not yet. The 1 hour closing,
Yeah, what do you
bro.
mean?
We have like 32 minutes.
Yeah, I'm like, what are you talking about, brother?
It's the 30 minutes too. The 30 minutes about closing 2 minutes like this. Same candle as the 1 hour.
Oh, can we just pop?
Yeah, if this 30 minutes is closed with no top wick, bro. Holy, hooray.
I want to see the 15-minute engulf the previous 15.
Exactly.
Yep, yep, yep.
It's
YouTube,
holding right there.
YouTube, how we doing, YouTube?
And anybody on YouTube got in there?
Gio, I took the sell off of that last 1 hour, and then I closed at the 88 and entered the buy. But I didn't risk anything crazy on it. So right now, just in the buy.
Like the Selly.
The sell
I
for the buy.
the Selly.
Can we keep pushing, or is it gonna come back down?
Okay, Mike is in there. Yes, sir. Hit the like button if you made some money.
Oh no, I'm still holding. I'm still holding, brother. I'm debating on securing some. I'm not gonna lie though. I'm not gonna hold you.
And like I said, uh, it did close below the 100 on the 15. You feel me? So this could just be like the retest for the cells to come back down. Like it could just be that.
Well, if we look at the 1 minute, let's see. It looks like we're kind of holding this head and shoulders area here.
Yeah,
Let's see. This inverted head and shoulders.
that's like the what's it called? The teacup, the teacup handle.
The cup and handle,
The
yeah.
teacup
Lasado,
handle.
Lasado would be proud.
Look, it's the cup, and you have the handle, and then it's gonna boom right back up.
I mean, that 15 minute was a great close.
Yeah, 15 minutes is a great close, but overall, overall, still the 1 hour still looks a little sus, bro. What the last 1 hour, but that's what we wanted to see. Remember, I said I wanted to see it push down before it come back up um, on the 1 hour, and it did just that.
Yeah, T, you should be leading these streams, bro.
It's just the open. I realize it now. Like even on the 4 hour, especially on the four and the one, both can like the candle needs to make a wick to either side first. Like if it starts out with no wick and just push to one side, I feel like that's the fake outside. You feel me?
Yeah.
So if it's because it has to some point it has to come back and make the wick on the other side that it hasn't done
Hold on,
yet.
hold on, Roy calling me. Yeah. Yeah, it was good. Nah, we on the live stream right now, brother. We making money.
Make a money.
Yeah, yeah.
You
It's fine.
find tops.
I appreciate you, man. All right, bet. All right, fam. This man Roy out the country right now, y'all. Oh, oh. It's approaching my stop profit, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
Yeah, just
Are you manually trailing it?
Yeah, I'm trailing it manually.
yeah, I have one just stopped out right there. I only have one more lot going to 61. But
Yeah, I
that's
secured one and I have another one in break even.
Let's
that's
see
fine.
if we get hold here.
I made my money today, so it is what it is.
This shit, T.
Bro, it's always the day that I take the least trade, I made the most.
That's how it be.
I'd be
Yeah, way to
gotta
come back
wait,
from that.
man. See? Oh, that dude that wait. Gotta wait. Wait for the 88 buy and then pop off. That's it. Life is easy.
Life is good. You know what I mean?
Life is good. Hey yo, come scoop me on the way to the boat, bro.
Um,
Because it's on the way to the boat. I know that.
I'm already be in the city.
You're gonna be at what's his name, Mo?
Nah, shawty.
Oh. Word,
Yeah, about to be at
word,
shawty.
word.
Yeah, you feel me?
Is it at Mo's? The pre?
Yeah, exactly.
Uh,
Just ride with Joe. Knowing him, he'll
he
put.
ain't riding, bro. He ain't driving.
Yeah.
It's his day. He's about to get sloshed.
Oh, for sure. No,
Oh,
I'm
is he on? Where is he, bro?
taking.
Yo,
I
tell him to get on real quick.
I think he's in the office. Let me
Oh,
ask
he's
him.
in the off. Bro, it's lunchtime, bro. What office is? He's texting in the other chat right now.
Um, no, I'm taking him out to the baseball game for his birthday on Thursday.
To the ball game.
Yeah, you know that boy love betting. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna end it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for taking the time to join us. We'll continue the stream or continue the call on the member side. So thank you guys again. Hope y'all have an amazing rest of your day and week. And we'll see you on the next stream. All right, y'all. All right, you guys. We'll keep going for a little bit longer here. I'm liking how it's holding
Looking good. Looking good.
here. You guys can see the